This channel makes over $5,000 on YouTube just by posting AI generated music videos. If you give me a few minutes and watch to the end, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can even make far more than $5,000. Make up to $10,000 just by posting AI music videos on YouTube. Just so you know, this channel is not demonetized because they are doing it the right way, and I'm going to show you how you can do that also the right way so that you'll not be demonetized or face inauthentic content on YouTube. So the first thing you need to do is to set up your YouTube channel and optimize it for search and recommendation. The second thing you need to do is for you to head over to this website called AImusic AI. Now click on AI Music Generator. So it is going to bring you to this interface. Here you can see you have AI Music Generator. You have AI Lyrics Generator. It can also create AI Singing Voice Generator for you. It also has AI Song Cover Generator. It also has AI music video and also AI vocal remover. Now, to generate your music or your song, you have prompts, you also have your own lyrics, okay? The first one you're going to go with is prompts. Now, just describe what you want, the kind of song you want to make, and it's going to generate the prompt and the music for you. Here, I want to generate a happy birthday song for kids. Now, you can either want it as an instrumental or just a pure audio song. I don't want an instrumental, okay? So when you come over here, you can just choose all the categories that you want, how you want the music to be. If it's a countryside music, just an inspiration of the kind of music that you want, okay? The mode, the instrument, the ambience, the vocal, if you want a male or a female. For me here, I said I want a hip-hop song, okay? And I want it joyous because it's a birthday song, so it needs to be in a joyous mode. Instrumental, I want something that is related to kids. Okay, so I'm going to go with this, and also the violin because I want a violin kind of. Now for the vocal, I want just a female vocal. So you can choose either a male vocal or you can choose both a female and a male vocal. So as soon as I've done that, I'll just hit on this generate music. It costs only about 2 credits to generate this, and over here you can see that our music has started generating. It's just a few seconds. Our music is ready. When you click on this place, you can see all you can do here. You can generate a music video, your cover, and extended or even remix. Okay, so let's just listen to the song.
Morning came with sparkles on the floor to the door. Papers, ribbons, giggles in the air. Today's your day, and we're all here. 1, 2, 3, shout hooray! Put your happy heart on. Morning came with sparkles on the floor.
Okay, now that we are done generating the song, it's time for us to make it a music video that is to be ready for you to post on YouTube. So come to this song and click on the hamburger sign, click on music video, and it's going to bring you to this interface. Just choose all that applies here, the aspect ratio and everything. Then come over here and then choose what you want. If you want a cartoon kind of, because I'm making a music video for kids, okay, so I'm going to choose a cartoon kind of character for us. So I'm going to go with this claymation stop motion, okay, and then hit on confirm. When you're done with that, that's all. Just come over here and check everything. Do you want it where you want the text to appear? Do you want it at the bottom? Do you want it at the top or the middle? Do you want the sound wave to appear? If you don't want it, toggle it off. If you don't want the captions to show, toggle it off, okay? So that's all, and then you just go ahead and hit on generate music video. And music is ready, so let's just go ahead and play it.
Morning came with sparkles on the floor. Tiny feet are racing to the door.
Now let's assume you have your own lyrics. All you need to do is to come over to this place and then paste your own lyrics. When you paste your own lyrics, no matter the length of, okay, it can only take about 5,000 words, okay, that will bring you up to 10 minutes long video. As in 10 minutes long music video. That's absolutely good, okay? Now and it can help you to easily get monetized on YouTube. Now, when you paste your prompts, just come over here and click all that applies to genre, the instrument, the ambience, the vocal gender, the however whichever way you want it. So for the mood, I'm choosing emotional, I'm choosing gentle, because this is actually a faith-based song. Okay, so I want it to be emotional, I want it to be gentle, I want it to be passionate. The title actually says, okay, I'm going to come over to the title, but as soon as I'm done choosing all that applies there, suiting, yes, I forgot to put suiting. So suiting is the next thing. Then for the title of the song, okay, I'm going with God promises, because that's what the lyrics entails. So when you're done selecting all that applies, come over here and then click on generate music, and it takes only but a few minutes and it will start generating your music. Our music is ready, and this is what we have here.
In the quiet of the morning, before the world awakes, I hear the gentle whisper of the promise that you make. Though the mountains may be shaken.
So just go ahead and download it as audio, but if you want to take it a step further by creating a music video that will be ready for YouTube, just go ahead and click on these three dots over here. Click on it and then click on music video. It's going to bring you also to this interface where you have to choose all that applies. Choose the aspect ratio that you want. If you want 16:9 or 9:16, choose a single image or multiple images. Okay, the photo style is has a default setting already. So when it comes to caption, you can just choose also the caption that you want. Okay, if you want the caption, if you want any kind of caption at all that you want, okay, you can just click on it and choose it, or toggle it on and off if you want a sound wave as well. And if you want the text alignment to be at the middle, at the bottom, just go over, just do it and then click on generate music, and it will start generating your music immediately. It takes only but a few minutes. Our music is already ready here. I've already downloaded it and you can see it's over here. It's ready. So I'll just go ahead and click on it. Let's play it and see what it gives to us.
In the quiet of the morning, before the world awakes, I hear the gentle whisper of the promise that you make. Though the mountains may be shaken and the hills remove, your kindness will not leave me, nor your covenant of love. You are the God who speaks a word and watches it come past, while everything of earth will fade like withered grass. Your truth remains an anchor in the shifting of the sand, and I am held securely by a nail-scarred sovereign hand, for your promises are.
Now the average RPM for AI generated music videos are between $1 to $3. But then if you want to target high RPM, there are necessary things you should do. And one of the things you should do is by targeting a better niche or a higher niche. And those niches are like productivity, tech, wellness, finance. And again, another wonderful thing you should do if you want to target a high RPM is if you want to get a high RPM is target audience from US, Canada, Australia and UK. Okay, music content generally attracts low RPM, but if you do it the right way, you're going to make a living out of it. If you watch up till now and you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do it to subscribe for more amazing videos on AI, automation and workflows.